hands I caught, the time that I lost. Said it's tough looking back when I thought what I thought. Yeah, I feel ashamed, embarrassed with rage.
You cut my brakes, then kiss on my face. So where are you coming from? Can't read the signs, so I draw the line. Then you go and bend it some. The moment everything is said, your words, they bring me back again. It's so insane, the things we do in the name of love. My friends, they say I should run away and change all my information, but I hold you close, so how could I go when you are my destination? These thoughts, they got me conflicted, but it's too late now, I'm addicted. It's so insane, the things we do in the name of love. 5 feet on the edge, are you gonna come and save me? I'll take one final step, all you have to do is make me. If you ever walk away, I won't think twice, I'll go bye, bye, bye. 'Cause even though that it hurts me, baby, I'm in love with the way you hate me. You spike my drink, then give me a wink and pour me another cup. I'm so aware, but I still don't care. You already fucked me up, and I know that I got a couple issues, but it's fine, keep playing with my loose screws. It's so insane, the things we do in the name of love. Damn, you always get your way, guess it's written in your nature. You know everything to say, just as long as I'm in danger. But I like when you take me under, it feels so good when I suffer. It's so insane, the things we do in the name of love. 5 feet on the edge, are you gonna come and save me? I'll take one final step, all you have to do is make me. If you ever walk away, I won't think twice, I'll go bye, bye, bye. 'Cause even though that it hurts me, baby, I'm in love with the way you hate me. I know that it's stupid, I make a mistake and repeat it a million times, but it's better to see your familiar face, even though it's been killing my mind. I know that it's stupid, I make a mistake and repeat it a million times. The pain and the evil is bad for my brain, but it's beautiful.